What's up guys? I'm here now in El Corso and I'll be shooting hyperlapse of their tower. That one. What I'll be doing now is I'll be taking shots using my Osmo Mobile 3. So I will teach you how to use Osmo Mobile 3, taking photos na steady ang object na i-picture. So taken na to o photo. Okay, so let's start. Alright. Hello guys, so what we're going to do is we're going to make a autofocus on our DJI Memo app para steady siya with respect sa object na itong kuhaan. I'll show you how, okay? So first is, just go to the DJI Memo app. I-click ra na nimo kana. Then, after, i-double click nimo ang menu button. Mo straighten up mo landscape na siya. From here, so i-focus na to by just dragging the object here like that. And then mo auto-focus na din na siya. Kita ka ng green object. So mo na yung i-center. So ma-center na siya. But then mo take pictures like that. And then keep walking like that. One step at a time. Also forgot to tell you that what I'm using right now is my old camera phone, 2-camera phone. See that? Duha ra gid tay camera ana. So this is 2016-2017 model. So the photo quality and video quality is not that great compared to other new phones right now. So if you have enough money to spare for new phones and for vlogging, then better secure one. In the market right now, there are already lots of good phones that you can use. So me, I'm still saving enough. So when I have one, then it would be better to attach it, a new phone, attach it with my Gimbal Osmo Mobile 3. So better quality videos and better photos soon. So now let's go to our Premiere Pro and edit our video for hyperlapse in the Tower of El Corso. Alright. Open Adobe Premiere Pro, click New Project, then let's name it Hyperlapse Tutorial El Corso. That's it. Click Browse. Let's add new folder. Let's type in Hyperlapse El Corso. Select the folder. Then hit OK. Now, in our Premiere Pro, project panel, new item, click sequence and then choose 1080-24 HDV and then click OK. Now in our project panel, we can click import media and then look for the pictures where you have saved. This one. These are all the pictures followed in sequence 361, 362, 363. You can do by clicking one picture, the first picture, and then click image for this one. And then click open and drag and drop your file. But this one here shows that it didn't work and only shows one picture when you play. See? So what we're going to do, delete that file. You can also delete this. And then what you can do for that one is simply go to your folder where all the pictures were saved. Drag and drop to our project panel. It is now importing the files. Now, let's highlight all the pictures from the folder we have imported. This one here. From the first picture, highlight it all. Now remember, in the 1080 frame per second, 1080 24 frame per second, it would be one picture per frame. That is, if you have 240 pictures with 24 frame per second, it would correspond to a 10-second video clips. Okay, let's now drag and drop our selected pictures in our timeline. Okay, there you go. So select all the pictures. Control A to select all the pictures. Now in my pictures here, it's about 537. That is around 22 second clip. Alright, so right click on the pictures, click speed duration, and then adjust this value to 0.1. So that is in every picture it would correspond to one frame. Also click the ripple edit to remove ripples in between pictures. Then click OK. Alright. Now see here. See? Around 22 seconds for 537 pictures. Right click on it again. And then select set to frame size. Alright. Nice. And then right click again and then click nest to combine all the pictures. Hit OK. Alright. This is now our hyperlapse of all the pictures we have combined. Click the effect controls for this nested video and then adjust the scale so that we will remove the black sides. That's around 134. Let's make it 135. And then from this one here, we click save and then click render to out. Alright, it's now finished rendering, and let's see our video. Still not so stable. So just continue playing. Okay, so what we can do here is we will export this one so that we will have a comparison between the before and after. So click H264 for the custom, click YouTube 1080 sequence click here the El Corso before. We will replace this one. Yeah, just because I have already saved one before. Okay, and then in under video tab, click render at maximum depth and also the use maximum render quality. Then hit export. Almost done. Alright, now let's play our Hyperlapse El Corso before. See the video clip? Not so stabilized. Okay. To stabilize our video, now here's the magic part. Click for effects, type warp stabilizer. This one here. Drag it in our video clip. And wait until it finished to 100%. Here. Almost done. Stabilizing. Now next, click sequence and then render into app. Click save and then let's export our file. Click again YouTube 1080 sequence and then type in Hyperlapse after, then save. And the video tab, select render at maximum depth and also the use maximum render quality, then hit export. Now let's play our videos. Here's the before. And here's the after. Wow. So nice. Wow. Very nice. Hello guys, if you have reached this far, thank you very much for watching and for supporting our channel. Hope you've learned something out from this tutorial and apply it in your future videos. If there's any comments or suggestion, just write them and comment down below. And if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click that notification bell so that you will be notified for our next tutorials and travel videos. Thank you very much. Love ya. See ya. Then after that, landscape. Sorry, nananawag. Yes, mami. Nadere sa El Corso. Ano naman? Mana mo?
Wala pa, nag-order ko. Asa kari ako dito. Asa ka dito?
Nag-shoot ko sa Kwan Tower.
Tower, pinag-uwan mo ko dun sa lipstick.
Sige, padong ko ana. Sige, bye.
Oh,